Stay back!
Sit on the log.
Stay back!
Get on the log.
He just ate my marshmallow!
I have finally had it with you little I am sick and tired of all of you little shits not wanting to listen to my stories, not owning your goddamn merit badges, and always kicking me in the nuts. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of all of it. Here's what's gonna goddamn happen. We're gonna tell some goddamn spooky stories.
But we're gonna have fun on this camping trip.
I've already pissed myself 3 times. That's twice more than usual.
We're gonna have all the fun, and we're gonna go one by one. You're gonna either tell me a joke or a scary story. And if you don't do what I say, I will chop your bodies up into little tiny bite-sized pieces, and you'll never be found again. Alright, who wants marshmallows?
Oh, yeah,
Me?
And that's
Lesson 1. Do you know who this man is? He's possibly the most important person in American history. Anyone? Anyone at all?
No, pick me.
Anyone
pick
here?
me.
Anyone
pick
here?
me. Ooh.
Narrator? Yep.
Ooh. De.
Harambe.
Yes. You win a trip to see the Almighty.
Josh! Oh my